Hello everybody, Jarek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be going over how to save music CDs on Linux. So music CDs are pretty much dead. Like, not a lot of people buy them, but if you have them laying around your house and you want to use them, you want to get rid of them and maybe transfer them to something like Google Music or Amazon Music or whatever, maybe Dropbox or wherever you plan on storing your MP3s, you have to convert them first. So the best way to do this is to install the SoundJuicer app. So I already have it installed, and I actually already have a music CD mounted in this machine here. So we're going to go over how to use it. So if you look here, it says it can't detect what the album is, so I can click the Edit Album button. Now, the music CD that I'm using is an old Quake disc, so an old Quake 1 soundtrack disc, and for some reason it doesn't find it. And it's not because it's a video game. It's because, sometimes the Music Brains stuff doesn't detect it. But if you put in an album 9 times out of 10, it's going to be able to automatically load the metadata. But in the event that it doesn't, you can go up here and you can type in, like, the title for track 1 is... there actually are no track titles, so I should just leave it as track 1. But I could call it Quake Music 1 if I wanted to. And then I could do the title for artist is Quake, and that will automatically update it. I can set this to disc 1. I can edit the year to 1998 or something. I don't remember the year, but it's an old CD. But this is just how to use the program. So if you want to play the sounds, you can click the play button. And if you want to extract it, which is what we're here for, you can click the extract button. So when you extract stuff with SoundJuicer, it's going to do stuff in Ogg Vorbis, which is an open source format, and you'll need to convert that over to with the FFmpeg, which we cover in the tutorial. So there's a huge breakdown of how to take these files, because we export them, and we'll start the extraction process. We export them as Ogg Vorbis files, and we can then convert them over to the MP3 codec that a lot of cloud music providers they require. So that's how that all works. So basically you just click the start button, and then if you go up into your file manager here, you can go to music, look under, we have my Quake music right here, and it is showing up and populating the CD as it goes. And that is pretty much it. That's how to use SoundJuicer. So if you want to save some old music onto your PC, you've got a CD drive, maybe it's a USB CD drive, this is how you do it on Linux. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.